Did you know that it's just one number?
One number.
One number.
One number can get you to any heart institution in Jamaica.
One number.
All you need is one number.
99-43278.
Just one number.
It's easy as 99
Remember,
heart.
just one number.
99-43278.
To serve you faster, better, easier. Heart just empty. One number, many locations. One number for all information.
With one number, you can reach any heart location. 876-994-3278.
You realize that was a bad political decision to make? We're in a very fragile situation right now.
I understand that, Marcus. Which is why it was a strategic move.
What kind of strategic move you talking about, Carlton? You were ill-advised. You realize that the man claims sovereignty in what is already a unitary sovereign state?
Brother, didn't we identify them as sovereign?
What? When? What that?
Our leader that. Publicly acknowledging Maroon sovereignty. But we start to develop this terrible style of selective memory in government and make we look bad. We need to come up with ways to unite with that part of our history rather than separate ourselves.
Shireen, hear me a now?
And their leader is leading them down a slippery slope. Look how hard we work to control the pandemic. And now we might have a big festival with bush round neck and one gathering of people. You know, say the man dangerous.
You know, I am beginning to regret coming into this politics thing.
And I am beginning to regret encouraging you to come into this politics thing.
Tell me something. Is it a culture in politics to say some things and then conveniently forget to say them? Or just change your mind in the middle of an arrangement?
What you really are talking about?
Since this pandemic, we have given the green light to at least 2 major parties. One of which we try to throw under the bus after giving the go-ahead. Now the chief had dialogue with all the relevant ministries on what is not only a festival, but a religious and spiritual practice that is centuries old. And now we want back out and throw them under the bus. That makes sense?
What me want to know? How you know say him engage these ministries?
Because him say it. And nobody no refute him claim. A matter of fact, the cultural minister say it was approved. So apparently it's only you and the police in the dark.
It's surprising that you know so much.
And it's surprising you know so little. But I'm beginning to realize that it's a feature of politics in Jamaica and politicians for not knowing enough about the people or the place where they are governed.
So, what may I witness right here, sir? My brother side with the Maroons.
If shallow and clueless was a person, me not side with them. Me just try learn and understand more about an indigenous people from our island. But no, you seem hell-bent on demonizing them in the name of politics. Tell me something. You ever go around a Maroon town yet?
No.
You ever meet the chief?
No, no need to meet the chief.
So, what kind of judgment call you can make on the situation? And how you're going to dictate to me, who've been on both sides of the fence? Brother, me go to the festival and them observe the COVID protocols. It was such an enriching experience.
I trust my leader. And if him have a problem with them, then so do I.
Brother, you don't see the programming like that? You realize how programmed you are?
Listen to me, brother. Let me tell you something. Me never bring in a politics if you go against the people that you work for. Or we get a paycheck out of. I want you to cease and desist from advocating for this Maroon. And that me mean, and that me say. Argument done!
It's been almost 3 months. Baby, why you never just stay over? Yeah. I know how you get when you have a case to prepare for. Alright. I'm glad you're home safe though. We talk tomorrow? Alright. Bye. This lady here. She always want to hear. 5 answer now. Okay. backside. She must see I get fair groove too. I can't wait.
Wow. Marcus, me and your younger brother, not your little brother, where you can program and threaten. Me come in politics with me money. So paycheck not frighten me. I'm gonna work for UNO. I work for the people. My decision to do this, to come in politics, was based on making positive change. And that me intend to do. Me talk to the chief. And all him want is to be heard, understood, and respected. But no. Uno want infringe upon them rights and permit mining upon them sacred land. Overlooking the fact that 40% of our water supply come from the same place when I try to sell to foreign investors. Uno want mash up the lungs of our country and then run the native off of them own land and class them as separatists and promoting guerrilla warfare. And who are want war? Them are we. The Marines don't want no war. But me can tell you this. Them, I will defend them territory for the sake of the born and the unborn.
Tread carefully, Carter. And we can just tell you this much. You are such a disappointment.
Because I say the same thing about you, brother. But you hear me? Me, not take no programming. Not from you, not nobody in the administration. We can't program Carter and hardly Wallace. At least one Wallace have to have some sense.
Oh, by the way, you know, so the Observer want to do a little write-up about me pertaining to the book.
Interview?
Yeah, man. So here I want to chat to Goody and see if she can accommodate me over there for the photo shoot. Like you see how over there fix up nice.
That's small, man. I want a style now. Good advertise our place, but a different place.
And that me see go on.
You want to do something like that over there, so that be the right place for you.
Okay.
And that is a no-brainer. I mean, no session I will tell you now.
Alright, you want me. When you forward, you go over there, go link her and here what time.
Yeah, man. Yo, look at thing going last night started. And I said, there and
One to you know.
so 5 walk in last night started and I have a girlfriend at the house. And I said,
Girlfriend? What you say?
Shami, you know, it's not a youth, a broadcast, mate.
So Shappy, I went all of that one.
About 2 months ago, man. Love has played a game on me so long. Started to believe I'd never find anyone, and doubt had tried to convince me to give in. Said you can't win. And then one day the sun came shining through. The rain has stopped and the skies are blue. And oh, what a revelation to see. Someone was saying I love you to me. But it's a girl I'm check for still. You know what I say? If I pop up at the house there and I never expect her, but I have to fix it. You understand? Because I don't want you to feel like a boy. I try to hurt her in no form or fashion. You see me?
Why shopping, I not tell a lie. I don't feel a way still, you know. Why you hear me? Angle your business, brother.
Alright, for nothing. We chat to you a little bit. Serve a peace and bad.
Dog, move your backside, man. You let me pop me cock up.
Me under the banana tree here.
Me come going now, you know.
You drink your bush tea yet?
Daddy, I never feel finished bush this morning, so I'm gonna drink coffee.
Coffee? Me coffee, me bowl of boiling coffee in the morning. I care for none of these. The only thing for me is me bowl of boiling coffee in the morning. Yes, but listen to me now. The whole heap of drinking of coffee no good for you, know. You see the same thing when they wait and cough. Coffee. That same thing there. The same thing, it yellow up your teeth and yellow up all your eye. No good for you.
I know, but I have to change up the program a little bit, man. Too much bush in my system.
Top chat for it. Remember say, it's bush you grow pan. It can never too much Denise.
You not have to remind me.
It's the same bush them when I make you sicky.
I hear you. But run your plant to come look nice, man. So you can come pick 20 flowers there.
Flowers? I bet you tell me say you come pick gungo. Hey, me believe in my family, you know. You should have know that. Eat what you grow and grow what you eat.
Daddy, as you say about the farming, you know say me job can go up at Ebony Park the other day on the agriculture farm, and me tell you say me learn so much. Me have a new respect now for farming.
You know say only young people no learn and teach though. Dennis, it's a farm you grew up on all your life. And you just realize the importance of farming.
Better late than never.
Well, it's true that. But Denise, make sure, whether it's here or you find somewhere else, you can do little farming. It is important.
Don't worry yourself. Me will promise you Panda one day.
It sounds like you enjoy the little job they do.
Yeah. I sit down at art, it will provide a whole heap of opportunity for the young youth them. Every day I learn something new.
Denise, my girl, me proud of you. Me love how you develop yourself, you know. But, hey, give you a joke. Me no remember if I tell you. You remember the other day when you gave the bush tea and you run out of your house? You don't know, so the wrong bush milk you go pick. Me send the woman go up on the right hand side of the pumpkin field. She gone over the left side. I be a mac over there, you know. Go pick the wrong bush. Yes, when she come over, the whole her caca pack up a maca. Me say I nearly dead. I couldn't tell her still. But Daddy, stop laughing. It's not a good thing.
Daddy, it's funny.
Anyway, put fun and joke aside. I don't get the feeling that all is well with you too.
I'm alright, Daddy.
Denise,
Daddy,
don't shout at me.
listen. And not everything you got always can fix. It's part of life. You just need to know, say, for most part, I'm good. When I can't fix, I'll figure it out.
I hear you, Miss Ferguson.
May I leave now for Garrett for me late? Alright?
Me lily girl turn big woman. Miss Spider sense tingling.
Marcus, talk with the judge now, but no matter what angle I approach it from, you know, it seems like she really a take no chat in a papa.
That's the best you can do.
Yeah, look at this one, we have to just hash it out in court, but don't worry yourself. I'll put together a foolproof case. You just sit tight, and I got this.
Alright, brother. If a court, then we just go through the court. The way you have to do.
Yeah, man, don't worry yourself. But another note, you know. Your brother, I see you making some moves, you know. I think step up to the big leagues. But I see something. I was watching a report the other day. Him at the Maroon Festival. I'm sure that is the best move right now.
Give me some tough chat, you know. Another best move for him, and I be here tough chat him and give me, but you might go learn, man. Don't handle it, no worry about that.
Alright, I'm not getting involved in the brothers, you know. Family affair, I stay outside for no business. I didn't say roach, no business, my full fight, so. And through my farm, this is where I take care of myself.
Alright. Alright, Tyrone. Yeah, man. No problem.
This a tree go give me lemon and lime in a one. She sold me purple road. Maka to backside. Aye.
Check for her, you know, Shepherd. But she couldn't expect me to just sit down and wait indefinitely.
You check for her or you love her?
Well, love her.
Then know that your face say? Who know on this blasted check for? Like who not play checkers or chess or something like that. So, what about this new young lady? You love she?
No, I know. But me check. Well, I really like her. And me and her sit down and hold some real solid reasoning more while, and apart from that is a good girl.
But you come up here and look for Denise though.
Because me no want she pre like my style her. She turn up at the house and me never know that she a forward. I see the disappointment on her face, so I just forward to come link her cause I just love to explain.
And when you call her, she not answer your call.
No.
Let me ask you something. You used to read Spider-Man comic as a boy?
Sometime.
Well, I used to read it a whole lot when I was a little boy. You look confused. Remember say old people talking parables. So you feel learn and pick sense out of nonsense.
Shepherd,
Don't shout at me.
respect your knowledge and wisdom, you know. But you see that parable thing, them not to work well with it, you know.
How ironic. And his use a code is life. If you follow the story of Spider-Man, you know, he need love swing from place to place. Swing from one place. Swing to the next place. All him a do a swing all day. But you see, if that web ever pop, Grung now make fun for pop him caca when him drop.
What that mean, Shepherd? A one woman me a pre-writer now, you know. I just don't want you feel like soul boy me a diss her or nothing like that. You understand what I say? So I'm forward for give her a link.
You know, but did always tell you say you have a good heart. But you know, always do the right thing. Remember say Spider-Man didn't love with 2 women. But he did love one more. You and Denise, you know one big people. So it's I don't know go and work out things and make things work out itself. Anyway, I can't give no more advice. My belly a cut me. Mildred! I'll talk to you later. I'm starving. You done with the pot there? God have mercy. Move your backside before I start you with singing.
Carlene, just get him to sign the documents.
But sir, that document could...
Carlene, I don't have any time for this. Just get him to sign the documents. That's all I have to say.
But sir, what if he wants to read the entire document?
And Carlene, you know you've been doing this long. Give him the portion of the documents that are relevant to him and let him sign it. Okay? Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Carlene. I'll talk to you.
So, this is it then?
I wouldn't really say this is it. Call it a new chapter.
Well, whatever it is, You know I always wish you all the best.
Oh, thank you, Stephen.
There's no need to thank me.
Well, I really do need to thank you. You've been an awesome mentor. And even though the lessons were rough, they were life-saving.
Yeah, they were, weren't they?
Yes, sir. It's funny. This case that I was involved with over the past couple months, it really confirmed how much I had my emotions involved in all of this.
Well, it's not so much about getting your emotions involved, Agent. It's about controlling those emotions and making them work to your advantage. That's the important lesson.
Still teaching.
The best teachers are the perpetual students.
Yes, boss. Yeah, but just put in the last set about with them.
Okay, good. Are you sure you're comfortable with the place being a hostel and not an Airbnb?
Yeah, man, because I do some research, and I get to realize that there's no more hostel in Kingston, so this is a good idea.
Okay. Alright, well, so now what about people, the secretary?
No, we don't need a secretary, not right now. We'll make Plummy go and take the call in.
You sure she can multitask?
Yeah, remember said the barn are too busy at the time, so she can take the call in, man.
Right. So, you Plummy seem kind of...
Kind of what?
I don't know, she kind of get up with that ready to answer phone.
No, man. Look here. Me give Plummy one character for study. When she come here, she could have barely talk patois, and me broke out the poor child. Yeah. Listen, Plummy, a good Christian girl. She have her skills, man, in marketing and customer service. She can manage, man.
Okay. Alright, well, I guess she can work then.
Yeah. No, I know, but them almost finished.
Okay. So now you tell me use the place for the shoot one. You charge them?
Oh, no, man. I wait name there. Charmaine, that's a shopkeeper. She do poetry and them things there. So when the observer come for interview her, and she asks me if she can use over here to take some photos. So it's a good look.
Good. Yeah, that sounds good. Well, I was my talent that I couldn't do.
Man, I tell you.
Well, does that mean the place I get featured and observer then?
No.
The one?
Eh?
You did it?
Yeah, man. I just feel a little dizzy a while ago.
What? Can you please let me take you to see another doctor? I think an opinion more heard,
Carlton, I don't want the next doctor. I'm alright. I don't need. It's just a little dizziness. I don't nothing major.
Alright, let me come carry up on the road. Let me take you to the fresh air then.
No, I don't want to go nowhere. I don't want to go on the road, man. I'm alright.
No, I'm come to carry up.
Carlton, I don't want to go nowhere.
So, you're migrating?
People don't migrate, Bubbles. Birds do.
Okay, Stephen. You're going to foreign. Jeez.
Yeah, I got an offer that suits me and my family.
The entire family?
Yes, Agent. My entire family. Look, I might not be perfect, but I am a man that owns up to his responsibilities.
That is why I have nothing but absolute respect for you.
Likewise, Agent. Likewise. So, what happens now?
Well, my own security company. Well, at least that's what I have in mind.
Nice. Too bad I won't be around to train them.
Don't worry. I'll do a good job. I've learned from the best.
You sure you'll do a good job?
Stephen, I'm positive.
Show me.
You sure?
Nice. Backing.
Always.
Where? Okay. Open the gun. Nice. We done?
Pretty much.
Are you sure?
Boss, you never teach me that.
And why would I?
A master never teaches his students all his tricks.
But there's one more lesson.
How the hell?
I got it. It's very good. It doesn't work without one of these, though.
Okay. You win.
Like you expected something different.
Hey, baby. Lunch? Absolutely. All right. Aww. Stephen, thank you. Please be safe, and I wish you nothing but the best.
Take care.
Hi, good afternoon guys. Welcome to Dining with Curvy. My name is Xpressionz, but you can call me Kesh. We have two type of water serving today. We have the top water and the bottled water. Which one would you guys prefer? Room temperature code?
Room temperature is fine.
Alright, sure. Thank you.
I can bring the menu same time, please.
Not my style,
You know, if you go to the house a bit, I'm not about to talk about me there, I talk about now.
Yeah, look at fresh breeze, alright.
Some too love how quick I move from what they that. I'm gonna move wide fam.
But remember in the show say have some private lesson I go and do so. I'm gonna live busy, you know film thing, you know thing.
Know that. But this feel different fam. I'm gonna quit this.
Girl and answer me, you know. But dog, gangster in love, brother. I just that go. Talking about the devil. See me, huh?
I pray.
You know the code, man. Oh, you in love life.
I be hitting me go out, you know.
Yeah, dog, me just there tell that I say it look like wedding bells soon forward, you know, cause from where they just tucky like it's a tuck shop you around there, you know.
Not like that, man. So that's why I pray.
And that more ask you still. Your movements feel different. You're not link. Nothing at all, not even a phone call from another code that.
Well, if you tell you straight, still not that. What do you mean? I will reason with Shop Boss. I'm gonna treat you like the reason, you see?
You see me, the youth, always follow my instincts. Remember me tell you that. I'm gonna tell you say something wrong, something not right. You're quick. Or Shop Boss show you.
It's like when I roll with this politician brother here. I'm on Shop Boss not good. You see?
So then Chappy never make you know so we don't know nothing at all about that gunman. We don't know nothing about that brother. I'm not sure we no vibes up to today day ya fam.
You know make me know the whole 100 still, you know. But him show me about 40, you see it? And the 40% me not too like.
That means a piece of the story you get. You don't get the full 100 then, brother. As well you say a 40 you get fam.
But I never that alone, you know, brother. Why we are taking on this politics thing? Politician no business with we, you know, dog.
Hold on there. Why you hear what me saying, no, brother? Cause you have it wrong, you know. Me not tell no man to follow up this politics thing, you know. All what me say, you know, a full time hold them politicians accountable, you know, and start make them do things in their place in the farm.
Boy, quick. You see, so with all this lockdown and corona thing and things get slow. And we alone can't run the community fam.
Me hear all of that, you know, bro. But them never do nothing for we yet. So what him a change?
Here we go on. If you true we sit down and I wait for them to do it, we fi demand them to do it, brother.
Brother, remember say we no vote, you know. But remember people around here vote, you know. And we put them in a power. So we tell them what to do, bad man. A new year, new time, brother. Check your levels now, man.
Eh, that's true. After we put them in a power, them treat ghetto people the worst, bro. You go on, I cannot know that.
Hear me, I say. Is it true we don't understand the political process? When them forward with them little hands out, we run them and demands more, brother. That little special thing where them love come and run in a bar and tell say, yo, everybody come have something for drink. We cut out that and run them fam and demand strong things.
More while when you see them forward round with them care package.
And we know say them not care about we brother. Hear me I tell you. But watch out now, when them forward with it, people them boy I take it as a thanks and cheer like them joyful. Like say we are star brother. But you see now are we in power and them have to listen where we say. Them not work with we, can't work bad man.
Quick. 5 things may ask Mr. Wallace for them in my community. And all 5 things done. Right, Pink Boss?
Quick and fast. Like when
All
I say
5.
kick and pass man.
And a joke thing we are deal with them politicians and brother. You see what we demand them have to do it. You get to me and say, no handout thing fam.
Dada, hear me I say. I feel them style like bad bro. Them do that to get the votes them. And then as soon as them get the votes, them stop answer phone and them stop pass through.
That's why we have to govern our place.
Everybody in it, we have to treat the politician them like a worker. And you see if they not do the work properly, if anybody in this vote for them a problem, no vote. A serious thing we are dealing with nothing. Smart game, not game man.
And hear me I say, nobody boy can't take no hands out from no politician boy. All for one, one for all.
Normal pray man.
Hear me I say. I respect the direction when I go with this today. But the brother yeah, this shop boss already. And from them this shop boss and shop boss now roll with it. Me now roll with it.
Wait.
Yo, Big Boss, why you really find out how I'm going with shop boss and the brother there?
If I go look into it for true. Alright now it look like keep side.
And me in a division thing with the code in a fam.
That another code brother.
You get to me and say, one setter than dadas. It's not done and then dadas over there so. It's done dadas.
Grant.
Oh, what a pleasant surprise. I didn't expect to see you here.
I've been coming here for years to train, and I've never seen you before.
Oh, so it really should be the other way around. Like, you never expected to see me here. You know, if you had said it that way, then I could say, small world.
So, you're doing your stalker thing again?
Stalking? No, honey. Stalking is for obsessed lovers. I'm not that. You and I have some unfinished business. Plus, you have some arrangements that you haven't fulfilled as yet.
What arrangements?
Well, I'm going to take care of your family, and you're going to get me the job position that I want.
I already told you, I don't have the power to make a kind of appointment. Ask Marcus.
I already did.
And?
Well, that's where we have an issue. I realize that your brother, he likes to have puppets around him. You know, people that he can control. And at the speed that he's going, there's no way that he's going to change his health minister. Even though he's not doing a good job.
And you think you could do a better job?
I'm a woman. Honey, we always get the job done.
Even with your past history as a medical doctor?
Well, that's where you would come in and ensure that my records are clean.
You have a long list of demands, not true?
I see so much good in you, you know? You're even making yourself a very good politician. So far, you've effected change in your constituency. You're making people believe in the political process again. I want to do the same. Jamaica has lost faith in its medical field. Too many lies, too many confusing and conflicting stories. I need people to believe in us again. And you, my love, is going to make that happen.
Look here. You have to be practical and reasonable. Alright, so let's say you don't get the big position. What's the next best thing you'll settle for?
I haven't really thought about that. Because there's no other role or position that I want. I need to be at the top. You can make it happen.
Maxine, you are being unreasonable.
Oh, I am, aren't I? I know. I know there are literally a million things going through your head right now. But this is the one I want you to focus on. What has Dr. Grant induced in your pregnant ex-wife and your baby? Will she hurt them? The answer to that is yes.
Maxine!
Yes, darling? I have the antidote, just like the last time. So now, it's just a matter of time.